Hey guys, Steve Welch here. Want to show you guys something that's coming from the factory as a factory option on a Tacoma here. There is an ARB rack. So Toyota has teamed up with ARB for a lot of things. You'll see some things on the Trail Hunter and stuff like that. But it's nice that you can actually get some of this ARB gear on, I mean, just about anything. You got an SR5 here with this ARB rack. Now that rack's about $3 grand, just so you know there. But it is coming as a factory installed option. And if you know you're working with a salesman, they're trying to find it, just tell them the code is 2R. So 2R is the code, but just kind of showing you how this looks here. And something else that you get here, which is actually pretty cool, you also get a high mount brake light that's going to be up there because you got that high area, right? But you can see how it's installed here. So you got it actually installs on, you got these racks down here, obviously the plates here, but it installs on your bed rails on either side, which you can take a look on the inside. Now I had a customer earlier that thought, and there's Southwest behind us there, you always see they're pretty close to us. Anyway, he thought that this was going to be a covered area up there, and it's not. I'm going to drop this tailgate down here and give you a little look on the inside of how it actually connects. So you got it bolted down here on either side, and you know this is a solid, it's a steel frame right there. That's actually, this is an extra piece that is part of that rack. It just kind of is, it looks like there. But he thought that it was going to be completely enclosed, and it wasn't. But you're going to add these posts right there, down there. And let me see if I can't get up here real quick. You can kind of take a look. So some people might think that you can move these. You can't. They're solid where they're at. But it does have a weight rating on the top there. So here's how it says: supports up to 200 pounds of cargo, and it can carry an additional 25 pounds on the side. So on these side pieces here, an additional 25. So that tells me it's 200 on the top and 25 on the side. So if you're looking for something that can carry some stuff, there you go. Get yourself off road. There you go, right? But you guys can take a look and see how everything looks from up top here, and then obviously how everything looked on the inside. But like I said, it's about $3 grand, but it's a really cool feature, and it's all metal, by the way. This isn't plastic. This is metal, right? So tell me what you guys think of this new ARB rack that you can get from Toyota. Like I said, in partnership here with ARB, but it's coming as a factory installed option. You can also get it after in the Toyota parts department with this ARB, and like I said, it's pretty sweet. It's actually very, very useful depending on what you're looking to do with your Tacoma. But Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.